Hello everyone. So today this is what I am going to work on. So I have defined mark this one as a checkpoint and this one as another checkpoint. So this is the very first checkpoint. So when I started the game for the first time, the character should start lying on the ground and wake stand up, and yeah, that's the with the initial sequence. That's where I should start the game for the first time when I start the game. So if I go here and sleep, then it saves the game. So in the next time, if I have already saved the game, instead of starting from here, now it should start from this last position with the last stats of the character. So that checkpoint system, a loading starting from the last checkpoint, that's what I am going to do today. So here is the demonstration. I haven't played I have deleted the save file mine, so I'll play the game. Now it starts from here, and after this I run over to the bed, the stone bed, and I'll sleep. So the game will be saved. Game saved. Right, now I'll exit the game and play again. Now the game starts from here instead of starting from over there from the beach. So that's the part I'm going to do. And as always, this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Alright, so this is what I need to happen. When I start the game, the character should, when I start the game for the first time, the character should start here, get up and initial sequence, and then if I play the game once and if the character go here to drink water and sleep, and let's say I exit the game, so in the next time when I play the game, instead of starting from here, I should start from here. So that's basically what I want to happen. So how can I make that happen? Right, so for that what I plan to do is having some kind of checkpoint management system. So this one is a checkpoint and I have already set up so this as a checkpoint like this. Here we have a parent class, base class, that works as the checkpoint. It does not have any method, only this one. So yeah, also I am loading the save data in this game instance like this: save game and load game. Right, so let's see what we have in this character properties. Here, this is the save object. It has health, hydration and hunger. So I'll add another variable here called checkpoint. It should be an integer. So we need some actor that resides in the level to manage the level save game and checkpoint and everything. So for that, let's create another actor level manager. Here I'll create a variable checkpoints in the type of BPI checkpoint. So we should be able to put whatever the actor which implements checkpoints interface. And I'll make this one an array. Then let's put that object in the game level like this. I'll put it here. I'll make this one public so we can access it from outside. So this bed should also act as a checkpoint. So now we have checkpoints variable here. Okay, so I can't put anything. Why is that? This is CP start, and I should be able to drag and drop that into here, but I can't. Well, I'm not sure why. I think I don't understand it, how it works. So let's just change this to an actor. Okay, now we can put anything, but we should only put checkpoints. So for the first one, I'll pick this, and for the second one I'll pick this. Alright, now by default the checkpoint number is 0. So in here, when I sleep, I call the save function, and when I call the save game, let's see the things that we save. We get character properties. From the player character. Let me open the player character as well. Get character properties. Okay, like this. So when I call the save function like this, let's add another input here. Let's call it checkpoint number. Should be an integer. Right, now I'll make an integer variable. Let like this. I'm gonna give it 1, because this CP start is 0. Now here also I'll add a checkpoint number and the type of integer, a public variable. This should also be public, so that if required we can change it from outside. Checkpoint number 1. Now, yeah, I'm already using it here. Okay, right. Now in the level manager, we have references to checkpoints, and for now I'm calling load game in the init function of the game instance code like me. So I'll delete it, and then this is what's going on in the load game. Alright, so where do we consume this get saved data? It should be in the character. Yeah, when we initialize character we use it. Alright, now wait, we should not have removed this function. It should still call because we need to load the save data and keep it here. So in the level manager, in the begin play, let's get game instance and then get saved data like this, and then I'll add a small delay because I need to make sure that character is spawned here before attempting this. Get player character, no wait, we also need the here to keep the location, the last location of the character. So let's add transform the player transform. It should be in the type of transform. Okay, now when we save the game we need to save that also. Where we do it here, set transform. Get actor transform. Right, now where do we set? We don't use this anywhere in the save game. Right, now here, right before we save, let's set svch properties with this one, and let's use this variable from this point onwards. So here set checkpoint. Let's set the checkpoint with what we receive from here like this. Okay, now we have the last transform of the player, and also we have the last checkpoint index. So when we load the game, that means when we initialize character data, we can get player transform, and then we can set cache set actor transform like this. Also in the level manager, get save data and get checkpoint and get whatever the checkpoint represented by that number and call start checkpoint like this. Alright, now as I don't have any valid saved data in the newly created variables, I'll go ahead and delete this save games, that object that I already have. And if things working correctly, what should happen here is, now when I play the game, the character the game should start from here. So let's see if that happens. Yes, it does. And when I go over there and if I sleep, now the game is saving, and the next time when I play the game should start from this point instead of the beach. Oh, we have an error. Did we set the variables? Yes, I did. cp start and cp bed. What the error is then? Get saved data. Right. So this is the error. Actually initially I didn't have any saved data. So if I don't have saved data, no, do a valid check. If it is valid, do it like this. If it is not valid, then get the very first checkpoint and start checkpoint. That's what I should do. Okay, anyway, this shouldn't have affected anything now. So when I play the game, it should start from the second checkpoint. Yeah, I did. Okay, that's cool. So that's what I wanted to happen at this point. And as you know, initially I had some slowdown animations, like character is very weak and can't run and everything. So we can reinitialize those things if I want inside this start checkpoint by modifying the character. Oh wait, this is the character properties using this player, but I think I'll do that part in another episode. Alright, so for now, or maybe can we do that part also here? So actually, to do that, I need to change the character movement speed, max walk speed, and also I have to change the animation class as well. No, not the animation class. I need to change this injured state, the normal working to the injured state. So yeah, that's quite a bit of work, so let's put that into another episode. So the project files will be available through the Patreon page, and also I have released a new episode in the third person shooter series along with the project files and some other stuff as well. And thank you for watching. So if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. The link would be in the description below. And thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.